Hey everyone, Coach Marcus here. I'm so excited to welcome you to this journey. Whether you're a total beginner or already crushing your workouts, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to take your fitness to the next level together. Are you ready to feel amazing, energized, and unstoppable? Imagine waking up every day with more energy, a positive mindset, and a body that feels strong and capable. Let's talk about fitness and why it truly matters. It's not just about lifting weights or running miles, it's about building a healthier, happier you from the inside out. It's not just about looking good in the mirror or fitting into your favorite jeans. It's about feeling strong, confident, and proud of what your body can do. Fitness is about celebrating your progress, no matter how small. It's about having the energy to do the things you love, playing with your kids, exploring the outdoors, or just enjoying life to the fullest. And the best part? We're going to unlock your fitness potential together, step by step, cheering each other on along the way. No fancy gyms or expensive equipment needed. You can start right where you are, with just your body and a little motivation. All you need is determination, your own body weight, and a can-do attitude. Every rep brings you closer to your goals. So get ready to level up your fitness game. Let's do this together. Your best self is just a workout away. Today we're diving into an awesome exercise: shoulder tap push-ups. Don't worry, we'll start simple. This exercise is a game changer for building strong, stable shoulders using just your body weight. Shoulder tap push-ups challenge your entire upper body, especially your core. Get ready to feel the burn and see amazing results. We'll break it down step by step so you can master the move with confidence. Why bodyweight exercises? They are amazing. You can do them anywhere, anytime. No gym membership needed. Bodyweight exercises use your own weight for resistance. This helps you build strength, improve flexibility, and boost your metabolism. Plus, bodyweight exercises are super adaptable. Whether you're a beginner or a fitness pro, you can modify them to fit your level. Get ready to unleash your inner strength with the power of bodyweight training. Ready to rock those shoulder tap push-ups? Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, this move is a fantastic way to build upper body strength, stability, and core control. Let's break it down together so you can master every step with confidence. Start by getting into a high plank position. Place your hands firmly on the mat, directly under your shoulders, and spread your fingers for extra stability. Your feet should be about hip-width apart, and your body should form a straight line from your head all the way down to your heels. Engage your core and squeeze your glutes to keep your hips from sagging. Next, slowly lower your chest toward the floor by bending your elbows. Make sure to keep your elbows tucked in close to your body, not flaring out to the sides. This helps protect your shoulders and targets your triceps more effectively. Lower yourself until your chest is just above the ground, maintaining that strong plank form. Then press through your palms and push yourself back up to the starting plank position. Focus on keeping your back flat and your core muscles tight. This upward movement should be controlled and steady, not rushed, to maximize muscle engagement and prevent injury. Now, while holding the plank, carefully lift one hand off the ground and tap your opposite shoulder. Try to keep your hips as still as possible. Imagine balancing a glass of water on your back. This move challenges your core stability and helps improve balance. Gently return your hand to the floor and repeat the shoulder tap with your other hand. Alternate sides with each rep, moving slowly and with control. Remember, quality is more important than speed here. Focus on keeping your body aligned and your movements smooth. If you're just starting out or building strength, don't hesitate to modify the move by dropping your knees to the mat. This makes the exercise more accessible while still allowing you to practice good form and build up your muscles. No matter your level, always prioritize proper technique over the number of reps. As you get stronger and more comfortable, gradually increase your repetitions. Stay consistent, listen to your body, and celebrate your progress every step of the way. Get ready to feel the amazing benefits of shoulder tap push-ups. You'll build incredible upper body strength, especially in your shoulders, chest, and triceps. Say goodbye to slouching. This exercise strengthens your core and back muscles, improving your posture and reducing back pain. But it's not just about physical strength. As you master this exercise, you'll boost your confidence and feel empowered. You've got this. Remember, consistency is key. Building a fitness habit isn't about perfection. It's about showing up for yourself day after day. Even small steps forward add up over time, so don't worry if you miss a day or two. What matters most is getting back on track and keeping your goals in sight. Make fitness a part of your daily routine, not just a one-time thing. Try scheduling your workouts just like any other important appointment. Whether it's early in the morning or after work, find a time that fits your lifestyle and stick to it. Start with a few reps each day and gradually increase as you get stronger. Track your progress, celebrate your milestones, and remember that every bit of effort counts. Progress may be slow at first, but persistence pays off. Don't be afraid to challenge yourself, but also listen to your body and rest when needed. Recovery is just as important as the workout itself, so make sure to hydrate, stretch, and give yourself time to recharge. Find what works for you and make it fun. Put on some music, exercise with a friend, or join a group class to keep things exciting and motivating. The more enjoyable your routine, the more likely you are to stick with it. Don't be afraid to mix things up. Try different variations of exercises, explore new activities, and keep challenging yourself in creative ways. Let's make fitness a habit we love. With consistency, creativity, and a positive mindset, you'll build a routine that supports your health and happiness for the long run. I'm so pumped you're joining me on this fitness journey. Let's support each other. Share your progress in the comments below. What exercises do you want to learn next? Hit that subscribe button for more awesome workouts and fitness tips. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. You are strong, capable, and worthy of achieving your fitness goals. Keep pushing, keep believing in yourself, and never give up. I'm here to support you every step of the way. Now get out there, smash those shoulder tap push-ups, and let's make fitness a way of life. Join our amazing fitness community and let's do this together.